In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your groups and segments in Mailerlite. Getting your audience organized properly from the start makes your email marketing a lot easier to manage and much more effective. We're going to walk through how to use groups for your permanent lists and segments for your dynamic, rule-based filters, all inside the subscribers section of your Mailerlite account. First, log into your Mailerlite dashboard and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left sidebar, find and click on Subscribers. This is the central place where all of your contacts live and where you'll manage how they're organized. Once you're in the Subscribers area, look toward the top for the Groups tab. Go ahead and click on Groups. Groups are essentially your permanent lists. These don't change automatically. You add and remove people from them deliberately. For example, you might create a group called Buyers for everyone who has purchased from you, or Newsletter for people who have signed up for your main email updates. To create one, click on Create Group. A small window will open asking you to name your group. Choose a clear, specific name that makes sense to you and your team later on. Once you're happy with the name, confirm to create the group. You can now start adding subscribers to this group manually, through automations, or via your forms, depending on your setup. Next, let's set up segments, which are a bit different. Still in the Subscribers section, click on the Segments tab at the top. Segments are dynamic. That means Mailerlite automatically updates who is in a segment based on the rules you define, such as behavior or engagement. Click on Create Segment. You'll be taken to a screen where you can start building the logic for this segment. Here, click on Add Filter. This is where you tell Mailerlite which subscribers should be included. For example, you might choose a filter like subscribers who opened the last email or subscribers who clicked a specific link. As people's behavior changes over time, they'll automatically move in and out of this segment. Take a moment to think about how you plan to use this segment, because clear filters will give you much more targeted campaigns. When you're done setting up the rules and everything looks correct, click Save Segment. That's it. You now have permanent groups for broad organization and smart segments that update themselves based on your subscribers' actions.